Hello everyone! Today we're diving into Play.HT, an outstanding tool that stands as my top choice for text-to-speech conversion. Play.HT is not your average text-to-speech generator. It goes beyond by transforming text into lifelike audio. Before we delve into the review, be sure to try the free version by using the link below to experience Play.HT for yourself. Once logged in, explore the Play.HT dashboard, where various features and options are available. Now, let's generate your first audio. Click the Create button, enter your text, choose the voice with custom pronunciation, fine-tune attributes, and hit Preview. You can export your audio files in different formats. Once satisfied, click Save or Export to download your audio file. With Play.HT, you have the flexibility to customize pronunciations of specific words or phrases, perfect for branding. You can fine-tune voice tones to match the mood and context of your content. Custom pauses let you control the pacing of your audio, making it more engaging and natural. Also, the multi-voice feature allows you to stimulate real conversations in your audio, giving different voices to different sentences for a dynamic listening experience. Play.HT provides full commercial and broadcasting rights for the audio you create, allowing you to monetize your content on platforms like YouTube or for any other commercial purposes. It also offers various speech styles, including podcast, customer service, conversational, narrative, and explainer. Play.HT ensures you have unlimited previews, revisions, and downloads, ensuring you get the perfect voiceover for your content. Being cloud-based, it's easy to manage all your audio files in one place, making it convenient and efficient. For podcasters, Play.HT has you covered with podcast hosting, creating RSS feeds for easy distribution to platforms like iTunes, Spotify, and Google Play. It also offers audio widgets for your WordPress blog, including customizable audio players and buttons. Developers can benefit from app integration, allowing easy incorporation of text-to-voice conversion into applications. With analytics and insights into downloads, shares, and subscribers, you'll have valuable information about the performance of your audio widgets. Ready to experience Play.HT for yourself? Play.HT offers 3 types of plans. First, being totally free offers one instant voice clone and access to all voices and languages, whereas the Creator plan at $31 per month for those wanting premium voices and additional features. You can also create a custom plan with relative pricing according to your needs and requirements. In the end, the choice between Wellsaidlabs and Play.HT comes down to individual needs and preferences. Both platforms offer innovative solutions for audio content creation, with advanced text-to-speech technology, natural-sounding speech synthesis, and a variety of voice options. Wellsaidlabs stands out for its extensive customization options, in-house voice actors, and advanced AI models that allow for unique and recognizable audio content. Play.HT, on the other hand, provides an affordable option without compromising on quality, making it suitable for businesses and individuals on a budget. Its advanced features, extensive voice library, make it a standout tool. Hence, Play.HT got you all covered. Use the link in the description to sign up for free and take your audio content to the next level. Happy creating with Play.HT.